Hello, and in this video I'm just going to give you some basic update information, and I guess part of this is just documentation as well. So pretty much, one of the main points of this video is that I've updated all the DHQv2.net's design and layout, so it now looks like this. So part of the reason oh god, Chrome, are you still with me? Okay, it's still with me. Part of the reason I'm recording this is because the other day someone actually asked me, okay, what did the old design look like? Because I said, okay, what do you think about this new design? And they go, what did the old one look like so I can compare? And I said, actually, I don't know. And I found it really difficult to try and find pictures of it. So in the end, I ended up redirecting them to the DHQv2 video, and that was really cool for showing what it used to look like. So this is kind of going to be that for this new layout, and it's going to contain some information updates about this channel and some other stuff. But to start off with, let's just quickly look through this. I guess we have a new navigation bar with some cool little fading effects here. Most of this is using CSS3, and although it's using the HTML5 doc type, I guess it really isn't using HTML5 all that much. Although theoretically it's HTML5 compliant, I haven't really checked. So now we have the ad up here. If you hover over, we have this weird effect. Probably going to change it in the future. Basically, the stuff you're saying in this video is probably changed by the time you view it, because I changed things quite a lot. We have our what's hot and what's new as always. The search has moved down to here because I didn't really feel that it felt right up here. And now that the design's responsive, I'll show you that soon, it wouldn't really size down very well, because really they say if you know anything about responsive design, if you don't worry, you might want to Google it or just ignore what I'm saying. But usually designed from the mobile up. I designed this from the desktop down, so just to quickly show you what responsive design is, I guess, if I resize my window if I'm viewing on a smaller device, so we go down, and there we go. So here's our first transformation. The logo goes away, and this is all relative anyway, so the nav bar is just going to scale down, as are these guys, because they're all percentage based. And then we go down. I can't actually remember what the next one is now. Okay, so we have this turning into an image because the long text, and go down, and then we turn into this. So we have main content, and we have our box down here, and I think there's one more. Let's just keep going down. Come on, and boom. And this is like the major mobile one that would be seen on like iPhones and stuff, where you just have some basic navigation. Why isn't that working? Huh. Well, that's kind of interesting. I'm probably going to want to fix that. Why didn't that? Oh, it is working. Okay. Yeah, okay. Chrome just decided to glitch out on me again. That's kind of weird. So we have these, and it goes all the way down to here, and down to like an iPhone size, which is about this. So all the design is responsive now. That's pretty cool. I'm kind of dragging this out a bit more than I wanted to. I also copied this really cool concept from Leah Mumble. I don't know how to pronounce the second name. Leah Vero, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Which is this really cool thing where, depending on where the link links to, it displays like a different icon next to the link. So I've got some of these. I've got Twitter, GitHub. Oh, I whistle while speaking that. Twitter, GitHub, DevHQ links. I did CSS tricks links, and possibly some other ones. I don't know. You can look into the CSS if you're interested. And that's pretty much, I mean, the main changes. We can go into tutorials and just look somewhere. Let's go here. We can see we have this breadcrumb at the top now. That's new. It's still using fitvid.js, so these videos can be responsive. So as I resize, they resize. That's really, really cool. Like that. And, oops, failure. And if we resize down all the way, you can see they're still resizing. I wonder if that's caused any other problems. It shouldn't do. No, it hasn't. Good. So, if we expand back up, I guess these are the main changes, really. Terminology. We have different styles all over the place with different headings, and in fact, a really good way to show this off is pages layout test. And this is just a page I made to test all the layouts before I actually start implementing them live. So, we have a new text selection color as well. We have ULs, obviously different headings. Links look different. We have little inline code snippets now which highlight a different color because I thought that would be cool. With some emphasis effects, we have new block quotes, we have new horizontal rules, more headings, more emphasis, which is test of sub and sup. We have some links here with all the icons. So yeah, I also did slide share. That was pretty cool. And most of it is based around, pretty much it's all brought together with this transparent border effect on this CSS3 grid background. unfortunately, because it's a CSS3 grid background, it doesn't quite work on IE, but that's not really a huge problem. Most people that view my website are using the more modern browsers, and if like a couple of IE users just see a plain blue background, that isn't a huge problem. It degrades pretty well in IE. But anyway, now I'm trying to think what I was actually talking about. So on this channel, there are probably going to be some videos released pretty soon about jQuery, literally just like 1 or 2 videos, and that is simply for the reason that a while back I thought I was going to make a jQuery series, and then I kind of realized that jQuery is so easy if you know basic JavaScript. There's really like no point teaching it at all. All it would be is going through different things, saying like, this is the focus out thing is for when you focus out, the focus in thing is for when you focus in, and just going through those. And I thought that would be really boring for me and kind of pointless as well. So I might just launch those 2 videos just as kind of standalone. They're not going to have any related text tutorials or anything like that. And I'm also messing around with some of these, well, messing around is not really quite a word, but I'm also improving some of these tutorials. So I'm integrating these inline code tags, I'm changing the way they're worded so they actually make a bit more sense. It is resulting in more text content on the pages, but I'm not sure if that's really a bad or good thing. Some people don't like reading, some people like reading more, but it's definitely more correct now, and I like that. I like that a lot. So pretty much, I guess that's all that is. I'm going to start releasing videos again. All of my exams for this period are over for now, so there'll be some more videos. jQuery ones will be some standalone, and I'm also going to be spending a lot of time on these text tutorials, so I'm not going to go crazy on video, because I feel some of these tutorials are pretty damn terrible. Like recently I improved most of these JavaScript ones, I think. That was before I did some of the newer implementations, so I haven't made use of code tags. JS Fiddle's really cool. I tried to implement some of those. I am really starting to ramble now. I just want to... So I think Visual Basic is an offender. And then, in fact, no, the C++ section, which is a shame because the C++ section is one of my most popular sections. So if we go to like something I'll explain about it, like multi-dimensional arrays, let's have a look. Yeah, it's literally just, you create it like so. You can do this. Unfortunately this. Oh, you can do that. It doesn't really explain the code, and this tutorial is ridiculously short, so that kind of shames me. I'm going to be working to redo some of these guys when I have time. So more video and text content coming soon. I'm going to stop rambling now. New design, you can go have a look if you want, and have a look at the text and video tutorials and blah 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 on the website. That's the end of this short and probably boring update video, and have a nice day.